Hi kabayan! Kung ang hanap mo ay ready for occupancy na 4 bedrooms, corner lot, clean title, may gate and fence, at 2-car garage, this is perfect for you. This property is for sale with a lot area of 105 square meter and has a floor area of 70 square meter. As you can see, wala pa siyang tiles. Pero ang kagandahan dito, pwede kang makapili ng tiles na quality and good design na angkop sa gusto mo. May water meter and kuryente na, so lilipat ka na lang. This is located in Lancaster, New City, Cavite along Arnaldo Highway, just 40 minutes travel to SM Mall of Asia, Airport, and Makati via Cavitex and Naiax. What's good thing about this property is super lapit lang nito sa guardhouse with 24/7 security guard. And malapit rin ito sa schools, malls, and markets. Nga pala, may itatayong malaking SM Mall na dito sa General Trias, kaya di ka nalalayo if you would want to go shopping or magpalamig lang. Marami ring malalaking establishments na magiging kapitbahay mo dito, gaya ng IKEA, National University, Ayala, at marami pang iba. O diba, ang daming benefits sa pagtira mo dito? If you want to know more, tawag na. Baka ito nang hinihintay mong signs para kumuha ng sariling dream home mo. This is Elma Pagdunsulan, your trusted accredited salesperson at tutulungan kang magkabahay. And take note, direct ako sa owner, kaya madali lang itong mapapasayo. The price is negotiable upon viewing. If the price is right, and pwede rin siyang i-bank loan. Kung paano, tara, message mo ako.